picture is showing up good.
Then we need to take a picture of ourselves with it.
These next few scenes are from Port Canaveral. We did discuss what we were seeing here, but the audio didn't come out very well. So this is where we were at. This is a way that they move the large boats around. We had a close-up of it here where they just have it in a sling type device and they can roll it around wherever they want. Here we have a picnic area where you can fish, just enjoy the day. In fact, there's a couple of fellas fishing here next to us. And this is one of the cruise ships leaving dock. We did speed this up. They don't move quite that fast. Back at the motel. This is Monday night. We had a fun afternoon. Rita's going to tell us kind of exactly what happened.
Yeah, this afternoon, someone I work with, she lives down here, and they picked us up and took us on a little tour of the town. We went to the dinosaur museum store, which was truly unique. And then we went to like where the cruise ships dock and Port Canaveral,
yeah.
And saw two cruise ships leave, a Carnival and a Royal Caribbean, and then a Disney cruise ship was just still in port. It had not left yet, and we saw a guy catch a stingray, and they of course released it back into the water. And then we went to their house to see where they live. Lovely home. And then they took us out to eat at Fish Lips. That was the name of the place. back at the Cape Canaveral or Port Canaveral area, and we had a really good meal there. We even tried seared tuna. One of our hosts, they said that it was not as tender as it has been in the past, but it was still a good piece of tuna that was seared.
It was an appetizer.
An appetizer, yeah. That's right. And after dinner, we ended up at Fat Donkey. Is that the name of the place?
I think it, yeah.
Fat Donkey.
I think so, yeah.
In Old Cocoa Beach area for some ice cream. I had vanilla in a cone. You had?
It was a pecan caramel in a cup.
And it was really good. And then there was lots of painted murals on the walls down in that area. So I got my picture made with a few of those. And now we're back home, and that's the sun setting in the background in Cocoa Beach area. And we had a really good time. And tomorrow we'll be leaving out, headed to Sanibel.
Yeah. That's it for the day.
Good night.
Good night.
Thanks for watching day 3. If you haven't had a chance yet, please catch our first 3 videos of day 1 and day 2. Day 2 is a 2-parter, and we'll be back with some more adventures of our Florida vacation heading to Sanibel Island. Thanks for watching.
Hey, if you liked this video, let us know by hitting that like button. And please consider subscribing to our channel. We would really appreciate it.